The new E-Class offers the latest plug-in hybrid technology and a very intelligent operating strategy. The lineup includes models with up to 115 kilometers of electric range, which is more than the previous E-Class, and it's more than enough to cover most people's everyday trips. The backbone of the drivetrain is the battery, with a usable capacity of 19.5 kilowatt hours, which is also greater than the previous model. The plug-in hybrids offer up to 280 kilowatts of system output, as well as up to 650 Newton meters of system torque. They feature not only the regular driving modes, but also new ones for more efficiency. Battery hold maintains the battery state of charge depending on the driving situation and route, while electric allows all electric driving up to 140 kilometers per hour. The E-Class's high-voltage battery can be charged with either alternating current or, as an option, direct current, which allows a full charge in just 30 minutes at a fast-charging station. As well as using public stations, you can also charge your E-Class conveniently at your very own private wall box. I have one right here. Let me show you how easy it is. Based on the navigation route, the hybrid driving program always provides the ideal electric driving mode for any route section. For example, it prioritizes electric driving in urban areas. The operating strategy takes into account factors such as navigation data, topography, speed limits, and traffic conditions. To extend its range, the E-Class offers intelligent energy recovery by converting braking energy into electrical energy. You recover energy in 3 stages, up to a recuperation power of 100 kilowatts. In driving mode D-, for example, you get the one-pedal feeling. When your foot lifts off the accelerator, the car slows down through the electric motor, so in many cases you don't even need to use the brake pedal. Before you even get into the E-Class, you can use the Mercedes Me app to remotely regulate air conditioning, heating, and seat heating inside the car to perfectly climatize the cabin as you prefer.